Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me already, my name is Bella. Hello, welcome. How you doing? I'm just gonna say before somebody say something in the comments, yes, there is an extra person going out my neck at the moment. Don't worry, I took care of it. Just ignore that. Thanks. So this video, God, my mouth's dry. This video is, can I ever film without Coco interrupting rudely? This video is highly requested. It's eyebrows. I'm going to show you how to do your eyebrows. Well, how I do my eyebrows. Okay. You're going to need two things. You're going to need a brow pencil and a brow gel. Me, I dye my hair black, but my eyebrows are naturally like a light brownish color. So I get them dyed once a month by my esthetician. Hey Olivia, how you doing? And she like threads them nicely and dyes them so they're not blonde and my hair's dark. But my favorite brow pencil is the Fenty Beauty Brow MVP. I have this in soft black because it's like a neutral black. And it's my fave. I'm not used to having nails. This is weird. This is my fave. I love the brush on the ends. And this pencil is really thin, so you can't like overdo it, which is great. If you want a dupe for this, Target has one by Arches and Halos, but I prefer this one more because that one's more waxy. And then the other thing you're going to need is a brow gel, and I love this one by Colourpop. I get it in black. It's the Brow Wash Gel. And this is in black as well. This is just basically going to get those hairs a little bit more filled in. Thanks for focusing and doing your job. So first things first. I have a problem, guys. Like, I have two of these. I always have an extra in case I run out. So how I do it, let me move all this crap out the way. So I start at the bottom. And I draw that line to define the bottom. And then I go to the top and do the same thing. Okay, and then I like to see where I want it to start. I extend it out a little bit like that. I'm just showing you this brow because this brow don't like to cooperate. So you see I have a lot more hair on this side. Oh God, what did I eat? I said Chick-fil-A. I take the pencil now, and I like this one because it's small. I could draw like hair like strokes. So I go in the front really lightly and do like that, like a flick motion like this. And then I go through like the rest of it. Like, I don't color them in like this. I just flick through. And then I take the brush in. And I kind of brush them out a little bit. Really distribute that product in there. Then lightly go over it. Just lightly brush through it a couple of times. See like if there's any spots you need to fill in. See, this brow is always the easiest one for me to do because I have more hair on this side. I think it looks pretty bomb. So now we're going to move on to the brow gel. And like what I like to do is I like to like kind of like with a mascara, I take off the excess a little bit before I put it on. And with this, I like to start in the middle first and then go to the front, so then it's not too much product on the front, and it's not, I like the front of my eyebrow to look a little bit lighter than the rest. I just think it looks more natural that way. So you're gonna flick this through. Your brows, and this helps them, like the hair stay in place too, to the shape that you filled. It just lightly flick this through, and then in the front I go like this. See, and now you have less product on your brush, so the hairs won't be too obnoxious in the front. And then whatever product's left on there, I'm not dipping back into this. I'm just brushing it completely through. Then you can assess the situation and see, like, do I need to use a little bit of pencil again or not? I think it's good. I'm gonna leave that alone. So that's how you have it. How to do your brows. Am I doing the other one? Of course, but you don't need a long video. It's short, simple, sweet, to the point. Have a nice day and good brows. See you later.